Okay, it's hard to breathe with all this spray. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do this video today. We're going to talk about the importance of breathing. We just entered May, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but May is Mental Health Month, and I think that's really important because I'm super passionate about mental health, and I think we're all becoming a lot more aware of how crucial it is to take care of your mental health. So as a person who's struggled with a lot of anxiety and just maintaining my stress levels, I've tried to find a lot of different ways and tools to really control how I feel and just to make myself feel a lot better. So these are super effective breathing techniques to reduce your anxiety. So we have many different types of breathing that we do, and something that a lot of us do, especially when we're anxious, is we just breathe really shallow, which is not the right thing to do. So what happens when you have really shallow breaths? You have a lot less oxygen and carbon dioxide in your body, and that results in so many different things. It makes you feel a lot more tension, it makes your heart rate go up, and that's why you can sometimes feel like your heart is beating really fast. But you just need to be as aware as possible when you feel this is happening, and just calm yourself down, center yourself, and take some time to breathe. So now I'm going to demonstrate what belly breathing looks like. Don't laugh. I feel a little bit silly doing this, but it's just really simple breathing, and hopefully you'll notice the difference in the way I'm breathing through the video. But you just have to take really big, deep breaths to where your stomach expands. Just breathe in through your nose. You can also kind of picture like you're breathing to blow up a balloon, like you're blowing out air, just like purse your lips. It really does help you like control like the release of your air. Forces you to just kind of go slowly, which is great. It's so funny, as I do that, like as I take that deep belly breath in, I literally feel like the knots in my shoulders kind of like releasing. I know that sounds really weird, but pay attention to yourself and see like what parts of your body are you feeling like loosen up as you're doing this. And I'm telling you, you're gonna feel tons. The first time I did a proper breathwork session, I actually got so gassy. And I told my trainer, he was like, okay, where are you feeling like the release in your body? I was like, I feel so gassy right now, like my stomach is like making all these like weird sounds. He was like, it's totally normal, it happens, but I hold a lot of tension in my belly. So when I started doing these really deep breaths, I instantly felt like my stomach was calming down and things were kind of going back into the right place, and the tightness was just released. So you can do these deep belly breaths for a specific amount of time. I personally like to do, about 60 seconds on, 60 seconds off, and kind of like take my time and just see how many rounds I want to go for. But you can do it for several minutes and just see how you feel. If you feel like you need to keep going, keep going. So now we're going to go to a super simple technique, and it's actually my favorite. It's called box breathing. So this is a really, really simple technique, again, to just relax your body, relax your mind, and just really slow down your heart rate. They actually use this in the military and in the Navy. So the idea is you're actually creating a box with your breath, and I'm going to demonstrate to you guys now. Basically, you breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, breathe out for 4 seconds, and then hold for 4 seconds. And you can do this in multiple rounds. I typically like to do this minimum 4 times. If I can go 10 times, great. And I like to do it often. Initially I just started doing it when I was feeling anxious and stressed, but then I just started doing it for fun. Like I'd be like, okay, let me box breathe right now real quick. And it just really feels amazing, and it's really good for you. It's great for your health. So I'm gonna demonstrate now. Breathe out all of the air from your chest. Keep your lungs empty for 4 counts. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold the air in your lungs for 4 counts. Now release and exhale for 4 counts. So that's one circuit of box breathing. So you should try and do this for 5 minutes. I know that's a bit long. If you can't do it for 5 minutes when you're first starting, that's totally okay, but keep pushing yourself. I try to do box breathing usually at least 2-3 times a day. It's not much time at all, but it really makes you feel so much better. So one of my tips, just to make sure that you're not putting stress on your body while you're doing this, is just to make sure that you're sitting somewhere super comfortable so that you're not feeling any stress, and like you're not trying to hold a position and you don't add any tension to your body while you're holding your breath. When I first did it for the first time, I actually had a nice little warm blanket on top of me. It was really cozy, so just try to get as comfortable as you can. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you can start implementing this into your daily routine. You know, it's only 5 minutes and it's really going to make a huge difference. And in the times when you're feeling like you're in overdrive and you're more stressed than others, you can do it more often. You could add in longer sessions. I think a great time to do it is in the morning and at nighttime, so you really just kind of start your day off right and end it right too. So today's quote of the day is by my ultimate superwoman, who I love so much, Oprah. So the quote is, "Breathe, let go, and remind yourself that this very moment is the only one that you know you have for sure." And I just find that so beautiful. It's just so important to connect and to be present. We're not promised the future. We don't want to live in the past, so just be here, be present, and be grateful. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you have any suggestions on any of your own breathing tips that you like, please comment below. And if you have any suggestions for the next video, any things that you want me to talk about, please comment. And don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications. I love you guys so much, and I hope you're all doing wonderful, and I really hope that you guys implement this. Try it today, please. Mwah. I love you guys so much.